Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys. As you know that inside this our particular video, I used to drop daily updates on boom and crash index and step index. And guys, I have come with another powerful indicator that you guys will be interested in. And I have to tell you that this particular indicator is perfect and is the best thing that you can get in the market. So as we can see that this is our window 1, we can see what we have here. This is our window 2 and we can see what we have here. So don't worry, if you get this particular indicator, I will show you how you can use this particular indicator, because I have a full video tutorial on how to use this particular indicator. But I want to explain this particular indicator. This is boom 500 on 5-minute time frames. We can see that this is boom 500 on 5-minute time frames. So what I'm going to be using is my these two indicators together to trade. So what I'm going to do is that anytime my first indicator here show me an uptrend, you can see that it will begin to show me an arrow here. And I also have this particular indicator that give me an accurate signal. You can see that it begin to show a light blue color here, which show an orange a circle light blue signal here. You can see it showed the first one. So if the first one appear and you enter this particular first one, you will be around this particular area, and the second one also appear, and we can see that if you enter this particular trade now, currently now, and you can confirm your uptrend here, and you can see what the market did. The market moved on the uptrend up to these masses. So just imagine how much profit you will have take between this particular area to this particular area. So you can take your take profit when this particular yellow circle here appear as the second signal entry. So then you begin to wait for again to look for an entry on a downtrend level here. So when you begin to see that, then you begin to look for an entry for you to enter. So if you want to take a down entry, that means you are going to be waiting for a yellow signal. You're going to be waiting for a yellow signal. You can see that. So this is our first signal that appeared that we are going to be having a downtrend. So it's going to be somewhere around there. And this is the second one. And we have the third one that is currently an open trade on. You can see. So what I do is that I wait patiently for the first signal. So if you enter the first signal and enter the second signal, fear not. So one thing that is very sure is that that particular trade is still coming to that particular zone. So all what you just need to do is to wait patient and to make sure this particular indicator appear when you supposed to enter this particular trade. So as you can see now, currently now we have a downtrend on our boom 500 on 5-minute time frames. We can see the we have our signal at this particular area. I should have entered this particular area, but I saw the signal late, and that's why I can enter this particular area. So what we are going to be expecting is that we are going to be trading this particular trend up to down until it give us our light blue signal circle here. So before we can stop this particular trade, and you can also decide to take your profit at any time, but remember that this particular trend is going on a downtrend very soon. So we don't know how many minutes it's going to take, because nobody know what is going to happen in the market. But since you have your indicator strategy that you are using to follow this particular strategy, so it is the best thing for you to wait for this particular signal to appear. So like what it did here, we can see that we wait for we enter our level here from here, and we can see that our yellow appear here. You can see what that really means. So the same thing is what we are going to be doing from here, and you are going to be taking it on a down level. So that is how it works on boom 500 on 5-minute time frames. So to get this particular indicator, it is something you can get. What you just need to do is that you are going to click my I'm dropping my Telegram link on the description of this video. What you just have to do is to click that particular link, and I'm going to reply to you. Just message me and I'm going to reply to you. And you can also join my group where I drop daily signals and updates on how this boom and crash indicator works perfectly, guys. So what you just need to do is to reach my Telegram group and get access to me, and you will get the full video on how to trade with this particular indicator. and you can also reach me out for more information on how this particular indicator works. So we can see I've used this to take a lot of trend. We can see currently now, yeah, there is a pullback in the market. So what we just need to do is to make sure that this particular trend is still coming down to what, to retrace all this level that we have seen so far from here. So what we just need is a patience. So this particular strategy is working very perfect. So thanks guys. So see you guys in the next video.